Pinkalicious and the Pirates. Pinkalicious and Peter go to the hidden cove to meet their friend Aqua, but the mini mermaids is nowhere in sight. Instead, they see pirates. Arr! Beginning readers will love this level 1. I can read pirate adventures about bravery, creativity, and making unlikely new friends. Pinkalicious and the Pirates by Victoria Can. One Saturday morning, a seagull landed on my windowsill. It had a note in its beak. The note was from my friend Aqua. Aqua is a mermini. A mermini is a miniature mermaid. That afternoon, Peter and I went to the cove. We brought our beach toys because Aqua loves to play. Aqua, Aqua, I called. I didn't see Aqua anywhere. Wow, look at that, said Peter. He pointed to a ship in the cove. There were 2 men on deck. They don't look like regular sailors, I said. That's because it's a pirate ship, said Peter. The pirates were yelling. Arr, mine are better, yelled one. Yarr, mine are much better, yelled the other. I'm scared, Peter said. I shivered. I was also scared. Suddenly, I heard a noise. Eee! It was a scream, and it was coming from the ship. That sounds like Aqua, I said. She must have been captured by the evil pirates. Yikes, said Peter. I hope they don't make her walk the plank. That's Aqua walking the plank. Imagining by Peter. I knew I had to be brave. Aqua won't walk the plank, I said, because we're going to save her. Peter went pale. What about the pirate? He asked. I looked at my kite. It gave me an idea. I shared my plan with Peter. I tried to fly my kite, but the wind was very strong. Help me, I said to Peter. He held the kite string with me. Together we ran towards the ship. Suddenly the kite was swept up by the wind. Kites ahoy, I said. My kite flew into the pirates and tangled them all up, just as I had planned. Arr! Yelled the pirates. We're stuck. Peter and I waded through the water and sneaked up the ship's ladder. Peter put his bucket over the pirate's head. Blimey, I can't see, said the captain. Quick, we have to find Aqua, I said to Peter. We looked everywhere for Aqua, but all we saw was a parrot. The parrot landed on my shoulder. Cookie! It screamed. Cookie! My eyes widened. It was the scream we'd heard before. Peter glared at me. That is not Aqua, he said. Oh dear, I said. Heaven ho, let us go, the pirate yelled. What do we do? Peter squeaked. Suddenly I heard a familiar voice. Ahoy, Pinkalicious! It was Aqua. Sorry I'm late. I've been looking for you two. Aqua called up from the ocean. Did you meet my friend Captain Pinkbeard? Your friend? I repeated. Uh-oh. Blimey, said Peter. Quickly we set the pirate free. We're good pirates, they told us. Then why were you yelling before? I asked Captain Pinkbeard. The first mate I was having a disagreement, he said. The captain opened the treasure chest. A yummy smell came out of it. The chest was filled with cookies. The pirates baked the best treats on the high seas, said Aqua. What was your disagreement about? I asked. I think our new cookies should have pink sprinkles, said the captain. Well, I like purple sprinkles, said the first mate. Yar and luck, said Peter. Pinkalicious is a cookie expert. We went down to the gallery where the pirates made cookies. I decorated the cookies with pink and purple. You can never have too many sprinkles, I said. The pirates tasted my cookies. That's true, said Captain Pinkbeard. Cookies for everyone, said the Captain Pinkbeard. Now your cookies are perfect, just the way they are, I said. The end.